Everything that was built on the boat, I had my hand into it. Up until the day when the boat was moved from the factory to the harbor.
The weekend before the launch, I came down to the boat and remember Siddiq standing there with his wife and he's explaining to her the whole construction process.
She had a look around and she was amazed. And because told her that, can you believe that this is what your husband built? I mean, it's not me alone, but I was in charge of the project.
Seeing somebody having that much pride that he wants to share it with his family, it was just a nice moment.